Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission sa isa na namang impersonation scam na Morgan Stanley Investment Firm, Elini App or eliniph.com or Elini App. So yan po ay isa na namang impersonation scam at illegal po ang kanilang ginagawang investment solicitation. Isa na naman po yung Ponzi scheme. At sila nga ay nagpapanggap na sila daw yung leading American NYSE listed global financial services firm na Morgan Stanley. This advisory is prompted by reports and information gathered by the Commission that individuals or group of persons, particularly Mr. Shades TV YouTube channel, is enticing the public through social media platform to invest in the fake Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App or eliniph.com or Elini App. So ayan nga po mga kababayan, meron po mga influencers at mga vloggers nga na nagpro-promote ng mga scams. Iwasan po ninyo yan. As posted online, the fraudulent Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App claims that it is an app owned by Morgan Stanley, which provides real-time investment based on the port container shipping index. It is further claimed that it is the first policy to benefit the people launched by the Philippine Financial Department in order to quickly revive the national economy. It is also the first policy to benefit the people launched by Morgan Stanley when it opened an additional office in the Philippines. They allege that it is legal, safe, and permanent and is an important tool for the Filipino people to increase their wealth. Pero alam natin na yan ay pambobola at kasinungalingan lang ng impersonation scam na Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App. Dahil yan po ay sinasabi din ng ibang mga scam companies. Puro mga pambobola tulad ng Mocha Farm, nung A-Power, nung CCO Media. Puro po kasinungalingan at pambobola lang. Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App is offering investments to the public with the minimal amount of 500 pesos up to 1,500 pesos. The investor can earn 50% daily profit, 10% from direct referral, and minimum daily salary of 350 pesos up to 6,500 pesos. So dyan pa lang po mga kababayan, sa pangakong kitaan na 50% daily profit ay too good to be true po yan at siguradong tataob po yan kasi napaka-imposible po na maibigay ang ganyang kalaking pangakong kitaan. Pero maaari sa umpisa ay magbigay ng payout yung mga companies na yan para nga padamahin ang mga members. Pero alam natin na sa uli tatakbuhan pa rin sila ng company na yan. At bukod nga doon sa 50% daily profit ay meron pang 10% na direct referral bonus. Kaya talaga masasabi natin yan po ay talagang isang scam. In this regard, the public is made aware that an investment contract, a kind of security, exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others, which is prominent in the scheme of Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App. As such, the Securities Regulation Code or SRC requires that said offer and or sale of securities must be duly registered with the Commission and that the concerned entity and or its agents should have the appropriate registration and or license to sell such securities to the public. Based on the Commission's database, Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App or eliniph.com or Elini App is not registered as a corporation or partnership and operates without the necessary license and or authority to solicit, accept, or take investments or placements from the public, nor to issue investment contracts and other forms of securities defined under Section 3 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. The purported certificate of incorporation showed by Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App is fake or bogus. So ibig sabihin yung pinapakitang certificate of incorporation ng investment scam o impersonation scam na Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App or yung eliniph.com ay peke po. Peke po yan at SEC na po mismo nagkumpirma na peke po yung dokumentong pinapakita nila. Besides, the public should be aware that the use of Philippine Financial Department and Ministry of Finance by Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App or eliniph.com or Elini App in its post or marketing materials betrays the unfamiliarity of persons behind this scam of the accurate names of the relevant government agencies in the Philippines and could indicate that foreigners are behind the scheme. Further, the scheme employed by Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App has the characteristics of a Ponzi scheme where money from new investors are used in paying fake profits to prior investors and is designed mainly to favor its top recruiters and prior risk takers and is detrimental to subsequent members in case of scarcity of new investors. The offering and selling of securities in the form of investment contracts using the Ponzi scheme, which is fraudulent and unsustainable, is not a registrable security. The Commission will not issue a license to sell securities to the public to persons or entities that are engaged in this business or scheme. In view thereof, the public is hereby advised not to invest or to stop investing in the investment scheme being offered by Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App or eliniph.com or Elini App vis-a-vis Mr. Shades TV as well as to any other entities having the same or similar schemes and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments or recruiting investors for and on behalf of Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App or eliniph.com or Elini App vis-a-vis Mr. Shades TV. Babala po para sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers or agents, representatives, promoters, uplines, recruiters, influencers, endorsers, and enablers of Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App or eliniph.com or Elini App vis-a-vis Mr. Shades TV in selling or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by the said entity, including soliciting investments or recruiting investors through the internet may be held criminally liable under Section 11 of the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA and Section 28 of the SRC, and both violations are penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or imprisonment of 21 years or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. Yung mga pangalan po ng mga involved dyan sa Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App ay i-report po ng SEC sa Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR para nga sa kaukulang mga multa at buwis na dapat bayaran. Kung kayo po ay mayroong mga impormasyon tungkol nga sa investment solicitation ng Morgan Stanley investment firm, Elini App or eliniph.com or Elini App, o kung meron kayong impormasyon tungkol nga sa mga pinopromote nga ng Mr. Shades TV na YouTube channel, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa EIPD. Ang kanilang email po ay epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong October 3, 2023. Mga kababayan, dapat po maging maingat tayo sa pag-i-invest. Huwag kayo basta-basta mag-i-invest kahit na sino pa ang nagpo-promote niyan. Kahit na sikat pa po ang nagpo-promote, kahit na may mga pinapakitang payout, hindi po yan batayan na legit yung investment. Dapat kompleto sa legalities. Dapat po may secondary license at dapat po i-verify po ninyo. Kasi meron pong namimeke ng dokumento katulad po niyang Morgan Stanley investment firm Elini App na booking po na peke yung pinapakita nilang dokumento. At mag-ingat tayo doon sa mga pinopromote na mga investment dyan sa Facebook, sa Telegram at sa YouTube. Dapat mag-research muna kayo. Huwag kayong magpapabola doon sa mga too good to be true na mga investment offer dahil siguradong tatakbuhan kayo niyan. Mari sa umpisa, padamahin kayo, bibigyan kayo ng payout, pero sigurado po sa huli, tatakbuhan po kayo niyan dahil ganyan po ang mga modus ng mga companies na yan. Kaya nga dapat magdoble ingat. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.